This isn't working anymore. There we go. Oh, it's this one. Peacekeepers. 2-player game. Wait. I want to be the girl and have this guy on my team. We're the... Oops. Got to hurry. I must amend my grandmother. Hang on, Amy. I'll be there soon. What is that noise? Okay. Wow, he's slow. Whoa, 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 what is that? Let me guess. Oh, good. Yep, we can kill each other. Awesome. You got a knife. Do I have to throw it? Oh, yep. Oops, wrong way. Whoa, oh, no, don't do that. What are you doing? Yeah, yeah. Okay, that's ridiculous. Is that a rock? Can I get the rock? Wow, he's really slow. It's really hard to play this game here. So, oh, shoot, sorry, dude. What is that noise? That's absolutely awful. Wait, don't run into those. Run! The other guy can't run. Whoa. How did you... Oh. Okay. Soda can. Can you come up here and help me, maybe? I don't know. Well, okay, that sounds just really annoying. What is that? Are we at the zoo, or... an amusement park? Wait, oh, wait, still fighting. You know what? These noises in this game really bother me. Oh, we're in Silent Hill. One of the... Oh my gosh. Get him, get him, get him! Squash! That's what they call me, Squash. No. Whatever. Yay. Oh no, buddy! I'll avenge you. Wait, who's... Okay. Yoga Flame. Wait, Yoga Flame. You're back there. You go get him. Oh no! He's dead. Oops. Oops. That was pointless. There you go. What? Let go of each other, please. Go this way. No, I'll go this way. Oh. Wait, we can choose? Would you stop? Oh.